Who likes the rain? Adapted from Clara Doty Bates. Who likes the rain? I do, said the duck. I call it fun. With pretty red rubbers, I can run. They make a little three-toed track in the soft, wet mud. Quack, quack, quack. Who likes the rain? I do, cried the dandelion. I. My roots are thirsty, my buds are dry. And she raised her pretty yellow head out of her green and grassy bed. Who likes the rain? I sure hope it will rain and pour, croaked the tree toad at his bark door. For with a broad leaf for a roof, I am perfectly weatherproof. Who likes the rain? I do, said the farmer, planting a seed. But there is something else I need. Let the water soak to make some mud, and out will come a nice fine bud. Who likes the rain? I laugh, sang the brook, at every drop, and wish they never need to stop. Then a big river I will be, so I can find my way to the sea. Who likes the rain? I do, said the big trunk of the tree. No one likes the rain more than me. I need it for my buds to sprout and help my leaves to come out. Who likes the rain? I do, shouted Ted. For I can run. With my high boots, I can have fun. Through every big puddle and pool on the road as I skip to school.